Hey crafty people, I have some more cards to share with you. So let's get down to business. We'll start with this one, and this is just a this is a design team project for ASC Supplies, and I used different flowers that I picked up at the store. So I used, and I showed in my last video, I used these graphic 45 flowers, which I did frost up by painting them white and then dipping them into my diamond dust. So you can see that one there. And then I added other flowers to the mix. Colored up my Magnolia Tilda. She's adorable. This is a double seam binding, or not seam binding, but a ribbon bow with a little bling center. And a lot of people do ask about my bows. I use the Zutter Bow It All, and it makes beautiful bows, really simple. I have a really highly viewed video on making bows with that tool. So you can check my channel for that. And that is card number 1. All right. Then we'll go to this one. And these are just a hodgepodge of papers I had in my stash. Guys, I really don't know, so I apologize about that. This little Tilda is so super cute, and she baked a couple of cakes that she's bringing over. I wanted to make those chocolate icing on them. It says, "Love is all around us." And these are what I was talking about. So this is what they look like. And when I kind of painted them white to give them a little bit lighter appearance. These little springy things, I tucked those in. These flowers are from the collection. This one is a graphic 45 as well. And that pops up. And we've got card number 2. Card number 3, we're back to purples and pinks. And there's my graphic 45 flower, all frosted up nicely. And another up here. I frosted that one as well. And then my other flowers, I just did some white paint on them just to kind of lighten them up. They were a little bit too bright for me. But there are a lot of flowers over at ASC Supplies. Let's see. You know, I have the 49th and Market. These right here. And then the graphic 45. I have a whole bunch of 49th and Market because these come in a variety of colors. And I just love that they have all these little accessories. Like, see this right here. And the squiggly things, and it comes with the leaves. You can pop off the centers and put a different center in it. It's just really, really awesome and easy to alter these flowers if you need to. So these background flowers are 49th and Market, and I just layered these on top. These are my graphic 45s. These are also these little doodads right here. And what I did was I painted them white and dipped them in the diamond dust. And voila! They almost look like pine cones in a way. But yeah. My sweet little Tilda. She pops up like that. And there we go. So, I got 4 cards for you this time. And I have some ideas of what I'm coming out with next. I really enjoy making the cards, and they do sell pretty well. If you're interested in any of my cards, I will put the link to my eBay store in the description box, along with all the links to ASC Supplies on Etsy. Orders over 75 ship free. I think if you sign up for the newsletter, you get a 10% off coupon every month. Definitely check them out. The gals over there are just super quick with responding if you need any assistance. and shipping is fast and reasonable, and, well, what can I say? I love them over at ASC Supplies. All right, guys. Have a happy, scrappy day. Bye.